Alright, good day to you guys. Welcome once again to Forex Empire. Alright, so I want to quickly show you very amazing things. Please, we want you to like this video, comment reasonable comments under the comment section of this video, and also share this video so that so many people can get to see this video. You understand? We are sharing very informative information on this platform. All right, so the first part of this video, I'm going to show you some of the trades I'm on right now and why I took those trades. You understand? Why am I taking those trades? Why am I buying this buy and why am I selling this sell? So let's quickly look at Boom 500. In one of the videos I did where I said I also labeled it how to catch long trades without ending up in loss. Somebody said I don't like I was not really teaching and all of that. So now I want to teach you guys technical analysis. You understand? I don't teach the usage of what's that thing called again? Indicators, because indicators are not, the use of indicator is not really sure. You understand? You can lose your money while trading indicators. You understand? Some people will say some indicators are very real and they work and all that. I don't know about that. I only know about price action. Price action is all I use. If you can see my chart right now, you find out that I don't have a single indicator on my chart, right? Exactly. So let us go ahead and see what is going on. I'm on a trade on almost every pair of the crash and boom right now. Right. So someone asked, don't you trade VIX? I actually trade VIX and jump indices, but I only like taking very long trades on them. I only swing trade them, so that's why sometimes you might not find them on my what's it called. All right, so let's go. Let's look at Boom 500. Why are we presently buying Boom 500? All right. For you to see how long our spikes have been, is it right here? I've been on this trade since yesterday. So how do you take very long trades like this? You understand? All right. So in my last class, there was a class we have a WhatsApp group. At the end of this video, I'm going to drop the link to the WhatsApp group. I want you guys to join, right? So at least you can. I'm actually teaching people Forex, the technical analysis, just introduction to technical analysis. And I have someone that has actually shared a testimony and told me how he took my trades and how he was able to successfully make some funds. You understand? Someone did $14 to $60 in a day. He said it was exactly what I taught there for free that he did. I mean, that's good news. All right, so let's quickly do this. Right. Why am I buying Boom 500 here? I discovered that so many people don't like catching spikes. People only like to trade against spikes because it is a lot more easier to trade against spikes. Actually, and it's actually riskier to focus on spikes and leave. It's riskier to focus on trading against spikes, right? That's trying to catch candles and leaving spikes alone. As a good trader, you must be able to trade either ways. You understand? The first step at Forex is that you need to be able to identify the major zones. What is a major zone and how do you identify a major zone? You understand? Those short buys and those short sales, why not leave them alone, right? Leave them alone. If capital is your problem, buy a prop firm. I'm going to talk about a prop firm that you can buy. A prop firm account that you can buy. I'm going to talk about it before we end this video. So let's quickly look at why we are buying Boom 500 here. In another account, I started buying Boom 500 from somewhere around here. You understand? Look at this right here. This is, there was a long sell all the way down, right? If you check Boom 500 has generally been on an uptrend. You can see it all the way down from here, right? All the way down from here to the upside. It has generally been on an uptrend. You understand? And lately, it tried to correct itself, right? And did this semi-long sell. You understand, right? However, the uptrend is not over yet. So this is what we call a momentum in Forex, right? A sell, right? To give you what? To give you another longer buy again. You know, we call it momentum. When something is buying, it won't just buy like that. You understand? At some point, it will sell. You understand? So as to give you a momentum. You understand? To give you another longer buy. You understand? So the first thing we need to note here is that around this point, right, we had something we called what's it called again? Something we called the point of rejection. You know, it said there was a strong point of rejection there. It was supposed to continue a sell downwards, but that point formed a barricade against, you know, that long sell, right? And then from there it shoot up. You find out that it never came down to that side back. It shoot up and it has been buying every day since then, right? I mean, we are buying. You get the point. But people don't always have that patience to wait. People don't have that patience to wait because they're trying to catch spikes. They're waiting for the spikes to activate. And if the spike does not activate in time, then you are eager to leave or your stop loss and all of that. Let me show you an example of what I'm saying here on Boom 1000. You can see that we are on this trade now. Right? I'm buying Boom 1000. But you find out that the spike, I'm trying to catch spike, the spike is not activating. So what is going on? Right? So at this point, you already feel dejected, like, I don't think I can wait for this anymore. This thing is giving me losses and all of that. And then what do? You close in loss, right? Or you get discouraged. Like, I don't want to catch spikes anymore. I want to focus on only candles. And that's a very risky way to trade. You have to be able to trade either way, right? Okay, let's look at Crash 500. And at this point, I'm going to show you something very amazing. All right, we started buying Crash 500 from here. Right, Crash 500, if you check it out, generally, let's use 4 hours to check it out. You find that generally it has been on what? It has been on a very long uptrend, right? It has been on a very long uptrend. So it was only yesterday that it started selling all the way from this point. Right? And that sold down to this point. Now, what we now discovered is that this sell that he did here is also that thing we called a momentum, right? And after we have discovered we're able to pinpoint and discover that, okay, fine, at this point here, right? Okay, it has given us another strong buy setup. So what did we do? We jumped on the buy, and this is where we are right now. I want you guys to do something for us, right? I want you to try. I'm going to drop a WhatsApp group link. Please join the group, right? So that we can continue. This lecture might not be enough, right? So we're going to continue. We are going to get. I already have some pre-recorded videos that explains all these concepts. How do you buy? How do you identify the major zone, and how do you buy from a major zone or sell from a major zone? You understand? Stop the loss trading, right? We want to focus on only trading from the major zones, only major zones, and that's it. Just major zones, and that's all. We don't want to trade normal when the green line crosses the red line, and then you jump in. We don't want to trade like that anymore. We want to focus only on what? On the major zones, right? So make sure you join the group. I will drop my recorded videos on the group, pre-recorded videos, so you can quickly watch what we are doing there. And let's quickly look at Crash 300, right? We started buying Crash 300 from here. Why are we doing that, right? You see, I'm supposed to take my time to analyze these things for you one after the other, but this is a YouTube video, right? If it gets too long, you would get you might get discouraged, right? But I mean, if you look at Crash 300, right, it has given us a very long sell from this point down here, right? And now it's trying to correct that sell back. It's trying to buy, and we're actually on that buy. So what did I see that made me buy? Right, it's very simple. Number one, this confirmation here. This confirmation here is the first thing, right? You find out that after we bought, right, it will get to some point, spike down. Right, when it spikes down, to buy again, spike down again, buy again, spike down again. But there's one notable thing. There's something that you should note. And what is this thing? Check it out. Even though it was spiking and selling down and all of that, you find out that price never came back to this spot. Look at this spot where I'm highlighting. But it never came down to that spot, right? It will spike, sell, and all of that. But the dominant movement is what we keep on being, is what will keep on being active in the market. So when they say a particular pair is buying, it does not mean that it will just buy like that. At some point to sell, right? But you need to discover the dominant movement of the market. What is the dominant movement of the market? And that's exactly what you are going to follow. And that's exactly what we are doing here, Crash 500, right? We have taken some profit here on Crash 500 already, right? But we are not out of the trade yet. Why? Because we are following the dominant movement of the market, right? You can see we are currently on a profit of $840 on that single trade. The only loss we are going to be in is boom 1000, right? Boom 1000, right? And it's because of this guy here. It's because the spike has not activated to that point. You can see when in the earlier part of this video where I was talking about you are in hurry because the spike is not activating in time, so you want to quickly close and all of that. This is it right here. Can you check? Can you just see this? Right? Check this out. Now, this spike is new. If you check the beginning of this video, this spike had not activated, right? This spike is just activating, and it will buy. It's still going to buy all the way up. I have an account I use for only spikes. I use it for only spikes, nothing more, just spikes alone. You understand? I have an account I use for only spikes. Now, there's something very interesting I'm going to talk to you about, guys. Something very interesting I'm going to talk to you about. Okay, let's look at Crash 1000. We are actually selling Crash 1000 right now. You can see the heavy sell all the way from here, right? Now, we are doing something. We are trading for people, but not account management. We are trading for people through something we call copy trading. So we tried it with small balances, but it was not working, and now we have been able to perfect our trading arrangement. This is a new month, right? From 7th of this new month, right? From 7th of this new month, on the 7th day of this new month, we are going to do something, guys. If you want us to trade your account for you through account management, right? From the 6th of this month, from the 7th of this month, you're going to fund your account, right? The minimum you can join it is $100. Fund your account with $100. Then you send us the login details. Then we are going to attach these login details to our copy trading. We have a master account that we use to trade. So this is the master account that we trade with, right? We are not going to risk the whole of your $100 all at once in a single day. No. Here's what we are going to do. The master account is going to have only $20, right? So it's either we do $20 to $100. I can conveniently build $20 to $100 in a day, right? So we are going to connect a master account of $20 to your own $100 account. Then we'll try to do $20 to $100 in a day. So one of two things are going to happen. Is either we lose that $20 for that day, or we make $100, right? If we make $100, right, we would have made the capital for how many days? For 5 days. Meaning that we have 5 extra days, right, to trade. And if we lose $20 for 5 extra days, which is not possible, right? So your own capital in your account, right? If you connect $20 today, we trade it to $100, right? So if it does not work the first day, but it works on the second day, we have gotten 5 extra days trading capital, which is $20 in 5 days, being $100, right? So if in a week we can achieve 100%, even in a week out of 7 days, which I'm very sure about, we can do $20 to $100 for just 4 days in a week. Out of 7 days, we do 4 days. Then we lost $20 for the remaining 3 days. That means we would have lost $60, right? While we would have made $400. So we lost $60 and we made $400. So our real profit for that week is going to be how much? It's going to be $360. With how much? With a capital of $100. How did we achieve that? We connected your account to our copy trading account of daily starting equity of what? Of $20. I hope you see how it is now. This project I'm talking about, Forex is not 100%, but this thing I'm talking about, the way I coined it and arranged it, it is almost 100%. We are not going to lose your capital, your $100. No, we will not lose it, right? Because I cannot trade for every day and lose my equity for the whole of the week. It's not possible. I cannot lose my trading. What's it called? For like I lose today, lose tomorrow, lose next tomorrow. It's not possible. We're even talking about a loss because we are using small equity. Assuming we are talking about okay, so assuming we are talking about an account of $500 or $1,000, $2,000, account of $5,000. We will not be talking about losing a daily equity or something like that. No, we are not going to lose. But because we are talking about a small account, so some days it will end in profit, some days it will end in loss. But out of 7 days, I can conveniently achieve 4 days success. So if I achieve 4 days success, what it means is that we will lose $60 and gain how much? And gain $400, right? Meaning that we have gained $360, in a single week. You understand? So if you do that, if you do it like that for 1 month, right? And we are constant with our profit and our losses. So in 1 month, that will be 60 times 4 weeks. 6 times 4 is what? It's not 240, right? Yeah, about $240 is what we would have lost. And would have gained how much? Say 360 times 4. Would have gained, that's almost $2,000 or thereabout. So let us do this together, guys. We want you to join our copy trading platform. So all you need to do is to click the link of the WhatsApp group, right, in the description of this video, to direct you into our WhatsApp group. Then you can fund your account with $100 and drop it for trading, right? So we also do Forex training. If you want to learn how to trade Forex, right, you can join us. Then let me quickly talk about this prop firm. It's very, very important for me to talk about this prop firm. The name of the prop firm is actually Product Founders. I hope it's still available here. So they have a Telegram group. Right? I've been working with them since last year, and ever since, it's a synthetic prop firm. That's what makes it special and peculiar. It's a derivative synthetic. That means you can trade a prop firm where you can trade crash and boom on it, right? Then VIX jump and all of that. Why is this guy not loading? Oh. Alright, so check this out, guys. I want to show you one of their payments received when they paid somebody $7,850. I think the guy bought a very big account and all of that. Alright, after profit split, you can read the message we have here. So you can join their channel and go and read all those information by yourself. Okay, so but the more important thing I want to talk to you about is we will also trade this for you. Right, I want you to read. Now they have before. You have to wait. Before they have a profit target of 25% before, but they've reduced their profit target now to. How many did they reduce it to? I know it's somewhere around there. Okay, 15%. Now the profit target is now 15%. So guys, I want to encourage you to equally buy the prop account. When you buy the prop account, see what you do. You bring it to me, right? I'll connect it to our profit, to our copy trading. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to trade it on our copy trading. You understand? Meaning that I'm going to risk $20 every day on this account to make how much? To make $100 every day. You understand? So if we lose $40 on the account in 1 week, It's not even up to that $40 is not even up to their daily drawdown, right? It's not even up to their daily drawdown. And if it goes exactly the way I analyzed it, we could have made how much? Maybe $360 this week. If we do another $360 the next week, what does this mean? This means that we would have passed the profit target. We would have passed the evaluation. We would have passed the profit target. We would have hit the profit target for the lowest account size. So if you are buying big account, it will just take more time. But this is what we're just going to do. We will risk only $20. The loss we can make in a day is $20, and we can make what? $100 in a day on that prop account. So it's very easy and straightforward, right? So lastly, let me see if I can show you something here. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, yeah, so let me quickly show you this. There's something we call multipliers on deriv, right? Something we call multipliers on deriv, right? It's like a trick I use to make crazy money every day. I can use $10 to make $100 every day. You understand? And it's very easy. Why is it easy? Because you don't need to make huge. I don't know. I'll explain it better to you when you come to our right? So let me just give you an example of how I use like about $10 to make $100 every day. I hope I hope the network gives us what we want in time so that we don't waste our time here. But these multipliers, right, is for people that know how to trade Forex. You understand? Okay, look at this for example, right? I am using $1.98. Let's just say $2. I'm trading with $2 and I want to make a profit of how much? I want to make a profit of $5 with just $2, right? Like, you don't need to catch much pips for your Crash 500. Let me show you here now. You find out that I'm buying Crash 500 from here, right? So I'm using 1.98 to catch a profit of $5. So if this works, let me tell you what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take this $2 plus this $5, that's $7. Then I'll now look for another pair again, a very confirmed trade again, to capture a profit of maybe, let's say, $7 to $14. You understand? By the time you do maybe $20 to $40, by the time you calculate your profit, just 3 or 4 trades, you're already on $100. From how much? How much did you start with? You started with maybe just $2. So it's a very sure way. So let me just show you. I entered that trade on multipliers when Crash 500 was somewhere around there, right? And I'm going to make times 3 of my capital when it gets to somewhere around here. You understand? So we'll show you all of this in our WhatsApp group. So I want you to join our WhatsApp group. It's very, very important. I don't want this video to get too long. And I'm going to show you one more thing before we end this. The 1000 spike I was showing you the other time. Alright? Look at it now. You saw at the beginning of this video, you find out that the 1000 was looking as if it was not going to really buy like that. Like the spike was so, it wasn't just coming forth and all of that. But look at it right now. We're on the loss back then, but look at it right now. See how far we have gone, right? So I'm going to show you how much each of these pairs is giving us presently. I'm going to show you how much each of them is giving us presently. Look at Boom 1000. You can see everywhere is now completely blue. No single, So already we're having $75 on each. Okay. For those that entered like down there, we are already having $117, right? Then when Boom 1000 gets to this point, right, each of those pairs will be giving us what, $173 profit for each of them. All right, so look at how it is. Look at our Crash 500, and I'm going to show you something amazing about it, right? I showed you the other time about the multiplier I was trading on this Crash 500, right? Check it out now. We are trying to catch a profit of what? Of $5, and we're already on what? On 4.48. So very soon we're going to eat this $5. It's 100% sure that we must hit that $5, right? So when this drops, I'll look for another trade again that can be long like this. It can be long like this from here, right, to this point again, and I'm going to do another $300 profit on it. So at that point in time, I'll be doing what? $7 to what? What's 7 times 3? That's 21. So I'll be doing $7 to $21, right? Then I'll look for another one again. I can get 3 of those in a day. I'll look for another one again that is sure like that, right? After all my confirmations, what do? I will now do $21 to what? What's not even $21? 21 plus $7. That's $28. So I will do $28 and 300%. So what's $28 and 300%? $28. I mean, let's just say $30. What's 30 times 3? 90. I'll be doing $90 once like that, on a row. You understand? So it's so easy like that. You get how much did we start with? We started with just $2, and we're already looking at profit of what? Of $100 in a single day. On that single pair. You understand? On multipliers. Then let me quickly show you lastly our crash 300. Where are you? Crash 300. You can see how it is buying gradually. I told you the other time to do as if it wants to spike, then later it is buying. But what do we follow? Only the dominant movements. How do we identify the dominant movement? That's exactly what we call technical analysis. You can see that we are already on a general profit running of what? Of $1,900. Let's just say $2,000, right? And see everywhere blue. You understand? This is not it's not happening by chance. It's not something we just did by chance. It's not something we just did by chance. I mean, it's something that we so that's just it, right? So make sure you join the WhatsApp group. I'm going to drop the link to the WhatsApp group. Make sure you join it, and you will get access to our copy trading, to our copy trading. You get access to our what's it called again? You get access to our trading, the Forex trading, and you also get access finally to our prop account trading also. So you buy a prop account and you connect the prop account to our copy trading. And we'll do $100. We'll just try to do $100 profit on your account every day. After we make $100, we won't trade again till the next day. So some of you want to buy a $3,000 account and you want to make the profit target the same day. Like you want to hit the target the same day. You understand? You want to pass the evaluation in one day. No, that's not how it works. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that at all. So this is one of the things you can do to ensure that you pass a prop account evaluation, right? All right, guys. Alright guys, so this is the last phase of this video. I need you to just pay attention, be calm, right? Just watch what exactly I want you to really get something on this video, right? Alright, so remember that somewhere around this video, either somewhere around the middle of this video, I said something about the fact that I wanted us to that we're going to connect a $20 account, right, to all the accounts that we are going to be trading under the copy trading account. Fund your account with $100, then I will connect a $20. The master account will just be an account of $20 every single day. So I want to show you an example of this is a real account, right? I want to show you an example of what we are going to do on your account. This is a real account, and if you check here, you find out that the deposit is high, but it's not real. Right? This is a real deposit we deposited on this account today. We deposited $6 on this account today, and that is exactly the amount that we used to make this particular profit of $61 that you can see here right now. You can see a profit of $61 right now, right? Okay, so they deposited $6. So let's just say $6 to $61, right? And normally we plan to do $20 we plan to risk only $20 of your account every day to make $100 every day. You understand? So if you could do $6 to $61 profit in a day, that means it's very easy for us to do $20 to also $100, right? It's just the same thing, right? At the end of the day, by the end of today, right, the equity will be at around $80. We're going to end at around $80. So it would have been $6 to $80 in a single day. You understand? So this is exactly what I always want you guys to see. I wanted to see the workability of this project before I ask you to join it. You understand? It's a real account. For those of you that know how to get a real account, it's a real account. We funded it with just $6 today, right? And I mean, we've been able to make a profit of, $60. I want to end by the end of today. Would have made a profit of $70, but that's not what we want to do on your account. So what we want to do on your account is fund your account with $100, and we're going to risk only 20. We're going to connect an account of a master account of $20 to your real account, right? And we're going to trade $20. We want to do $100 every day. You understand? You see, in a week, which is 7 days, I told you before, I can conveniently make, for 4 days, we can conveniently achieve our aim. We can conveniently make $100, for 4 days, which will give us $400. You can make $400 every week. There's nothing to be scared about. There's nothing to be skeptical about. It's a very sure, what's it called? It's a very sure stuff. Yeah, so just jump on this, right? And for those of you that want to get a prop account, don't worry, we're also going to trade a prop account for you. All I will just do is you buy a prop account, right? When you buy the prop account, I will connect our master account to your prop account. We'll risk $20 of your prop account every day to make $100 every day. You must pass. There's nothing like I failed. You cannot fail your evaluation. You must pass the evaluation. You're going to pass the evaluation. So guys, so that's it. Let me show you some of these trades, right? How far they've gone. This is a sell trade, right? On Crash 500, you can see how far it's been selling. This sell is going to be a very long sell. This sell could be, it could sell for 1 week. You know, so we always capture these things from the we always capture them from the onset. You understand? So that's just how it is. These are Boom 500. What I have done with Boom 500 today, you won't even believe it. You understand? But it is well. It's fine. So these are Jump 100, right? It must be a long sell, right? And then, so there's no problem. So guys, make sure you join this thing. We are going to start a new batch for our copy trading on the 6th of this month. Please, or probably you can just give just chat me up on WhatsApp, right? I will drop WhatsApp, what's it called, the WhatsApp group link. I'm going to drop, chat the admin number on that group link, and that will be me, right? So just be rest assured that we are going to if you're going to have an 100% profitable project, right? So just be rest assured, right? Be rest assured, everything is going to be fine. Please make sure you join this. Make sure you join this initiative. It's very, very important, right? All right, guys. So till we meet again, Forex Empire says, wish you success in all your endeavors. All right, guys. Thank you so much.